Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Shopify with GitHub. This integration is incredibly useful for developers, offering robust version control and collaborative coding capabilities for your themes and apps. We'll walk through the entire process, from setting up your GitHub repository to pushing your first changes. This guide will help you streamline your development workflow, making it more efficient and organized. Let's get started and unlock the power of this power. First, let's set up your GitHub repository. Navigate to GitHub and create a new repository. Give it a clear name, perhaps reflecting your Shopify theme or app. It's a good practice to initialize it with a README file and a gitignore file specifically tailored for Shopify projects to exclude unnecessary files. Once created, clone this repository to your local machine using your preferred Git client. This will be the central hub for all your. Next, we'll configure when and where your pop-up will be shown. This is crucial for effective engagement. Under Conditions, you can specify if it appears on all pages, specific posts, or even only for logged-in users. Then, set your triggers. Common options include a time delay, perhaps after 5 seconds, or an exit intent, which activates when a user moves their mouse to leave the page. These settings ensure your pop-up reaches the right audience at the optimal moment. To maintain an efficient workflow, consider implementing a branching strategy, such as Git Flow, for collaborative development. This allows multiple developers to work on features independently. Always use pull requests for code reviews before merging changes into your main branch. For even greater efficiency, explore automating your deployments using GitHub Actions. This can automatically deploy your theme to Shopify whenever changes are merged, saving you valuable time and reducing manual errors. Happy coding!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.